Spark Your Fire presents 5 social skills secrets that make you super attractive. In a world where first impressions matter more than ever, mastering social skills can be your secret weapon to becoming irresistibly attractive. Whether you're looking to enhance your dating life, build stronger friendships, or simply navigate social situations with confidence, the right social skills can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 social skills secrets that will elevate your attractiveness to a whole new level. These aren't just ordinary tips, they're powerful techniques that can transform how you interact with others and how they perceive you. From the art of conversation to the nuances of body language, each skill plays a crucial role in creating connections that go beyond the surface. You'll learn how to engage people in a way that makes them feel valued and understood, and discover the subtle cues that can enhance your charisma. We'll also explore how to project confidence without coming off as arrogant, and why emotional intelligence is a game changer in social dynamics. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights that you can start applying immediately to boost your social prowess and, ultimately, your attractiveness. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets that will make you stand out in any crowd, stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 social skill secrets that will make you attractive. Number 5. Positive energy and humor. Positive energy and humor are essential ingredients in the recipe for attraction. This dynamic duo radiates warmth and approachability, making you instantly more likable. When you exude positive energy, you create an inviting atmosphere that draws people in, while humor acts as a social lubricant, breaking down barriers and fostering connections. What sets positive energy apart is its infectious nature. When you're genuinely enthusiastic and optimistic, it encourages others to mirror that vibe. People are naturally attracted to those who uplift them, and a good sense of humor can lighten even the heaviest of moods. Whether it's a witty remark or a lighthearted joke, humor can turn mundane interactions into memorable experiences. However, while positive energy and humor are powerful, they rank at number 5 because they can sometimes be perceived as superficial, if not backed by deeper social skills. Unlike the higher-ranked items, which delve into more profound emotional connections and understanding, this combination primarily focuses on creating an enjoyable atmosphere. In contrast to the top-ranked skills that emphasize emotional intelligence and active listening, positive energy and humor serve as the initial spark that ignites social interactions. They can open doors, but they may not sustain relationships on their own. Ultimately, while positive energy and humor are vital for making a great first impression, they need to be complemented by more substantial social skills to truly enhance your attractiveness. Embrace this vibrant duo and you'll find yourself surrounded by people who appreciate your lighthearted spirit and joyful presence. Number 4. Engaging storytelling. Engaging storytelling is a captivating skill that can transform ordinary conversations into memorable experiences. This art form allows you to weave narratives that resonate with your audience, drawing them into your world and creating a sense of connection. When you share a story, you're not just relaying information. You're painting vivid pictures that evoke emotions, spark curiosity, and foster empathy. What sets engaging storytelling apart is its ability to make complex ideas relatable and digestible. A well-told story can illustrate your point in a way that statistics and facts simply cannot. It invites listeners to experience your journey, whether it's a personal anecdote or a fictional tale, making them feel like active participants in the narrative. This immersive quality is what makes storytelling such a powerful tool in social interactions. However, while engaging storytelling ranks at number 4, it is often most effective when paired with the higher-ranked skills that emphasize emotional intelligence and active listening. Unlike those skills, which focus on understanding and responding to others, storytelling is primarily about sharing your own experiences. It can captivate an audience, but it may not always foster the same level of reciprocal engagement. In contrast to the top-ranked skills that encourage deeper connections, engaging storytelling serves as a bridge to initiate conversations and build rapport. It can break the ice and create a shared experience, but it requires the listener's engagement to truly flourish. Ultimately, mastering the art of engaging storytelling can significantly enhance your attractiveness by making you more relatable and memorable. So harness this skill to enchant your audience and leave a lasting impression. Number 3. Empathy and understanding. Empathy and understanding are foundational social skills that elevate your attractiveness by fostering genuine connections with others. This powerful duo allows you to step into someone else's shoes, grasp their feelings, and respond with compassion. When you demonstrate empathy, you create a safe space for others to express themselves, making them feel valued and heard. What sets empathy and understanding apart is their depth. They go beyond surface-level interactions to cultivate meaningful relationships. By actively listening and validating others' emotions, you not only enhance your social presence but also build trust and rapport. This skill is particularly impactful in both personal and professional settings, as it encourages open communication and collaboration. Ranking at number 3, empathy and understanding are crucial for creating lasting bonds, yet they are often complemented by the higher-ranked skills that involve assertiveness and confidence. While empathy allows you to connect deeply with others, it can sometimes lead to emotional overwhelm if not balanced with self-awareness and assertiveness. In contrast, the top-ranked skills empower you to express your own needs and boundaries while still being attuned to others. Unlike engaging storytelling, which captivates through narrative, empathy and understanding engage through emotional resonance. They require a keen awareness of nonverbal cues and the ability to respond thoughtfully, making them essential for navigating complex social dynamics. Ultimately, mastering empathy and understanding can significantly enhance your attractiveness by making you a more relatable and trustworthy individual. By cultivating these skills, you'll not only enrich your interactions but also create a network of meaningful relationships that stand the test of time. Number 2, confidence in body language. Confidence in body language is a magnetic quality that can dramatically enhance your attractiveness. This skill encompasses the nonverbal cues you project, such as posture, eye contact, and gestures, all of which communicate your self-assurance and approachability. When you carry yourself with confidence, you not only command attention but also inspire trust and respect from those around you. What sets confidence in body language apart is its immediate impact. It can influence perceptions before you even utter a word. A strong posture, steady eye contact, and open gestures convey a sense of security and assertiveness, making others more likely to engage with you. This nonverbal communication can create an inviting atmosphere, encouraging deeper interactions and connections. Ranking at number 2, confidence in body language is crucial for making a powerful impression, yet it is often complemented by the top-ranked skill of emotional intelligence. While confident body language can draw people in, emotional intelligence allows you to navigate social situations with sensitivity and awareness. The combination of both skills creates a well-rounded social presence that is both commanding and empathetic. In contrast to empathy and understanding, which focus on connecting with others emotionally, confidence in body language emphasizes self-presentation and assertiveness. It's about how you carry yourself and the energy you project, making it essential for first impressions and initial interactions. Ultimately, mastering confidence in body language can significantly elevate your attractiveness by making you appear more charismatic and engaging. By honing this skill, you'll not only enhance your social interactions but also empower yourself to seize opportunities and connect with others on a deeper level. Number 1, active listening. Active listening is the pinnacle of social skills, ranking at number 1 for its profound ability to foster genuine connections and enhance your attractiveness. This skill goes beyond merely hearing words. It involves fully engaging with the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. When you practice active listening, you create an environment where others feel valued and understood, which is incredibly appealing. What sets active listening apart is its transformative power in conversations. By maintaining eye contact, nodding, and providing verbal affirmations, you signal to the speaker that their thoughts and feelings matter. This not only encourages open dialogue but also builds trust and rapport, making it easier for others to connect with you on a deeper level. The ability to reflect back what someone has said or ask insightful questions demonstrates your genuine interest, making you a magnetic presence in any social setting. Ranking at number 1, active listening surpasses other skills like confidence in body language because it encompasses both emotional intelligence and empathy. While confident body language can attract attention, it is active listening that sustains relationships and fosters meaningful interactions. It allows you to navigate complex social dynamics with grace and understanding, ensuring that conversations are not just exchanges of words but opportunities for connection. In contrast to engaging storytelling, which captivates through narrative, active listening engages through presence and attentiveness. It requires a commitment to understanding others, making it the cornerstone of effective communication. Ultimately, mastering active listening can significantly enhance your attractiveness by making you a more relatable and trustworthy individual. By honing this skill, you'll not only enrich your interactions but also cultivate a network of meaningful relationships that thrive on mutual understanding and respect. In this video, we've explored the top 5 social skill secrets that make you attractive, each playing a vital role in enhancing your social interactions and overall appeal. Each of these skills contributes uniquely to your attractiveness, and mastering them can significantly enhance your social life. Whether you're looking to improve your dating prospects, strengthen friendships, or excel in professional settings, these social skills are invaluable assets. We encourage you to explore these concepts further and practice them in your daily interactions. The journey to becoming more attractive is not just about appearance. It's about how you connect with others and the energy you bring into every conversation. Remember, the most attractive people are those who make others feel seen, heard, and appreciated. Embrace these social skills secrets and watch as your relationships flourish and your social life transforms. Now go out there and shine, because the world is waiting for your unique charm.